Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you the ways to download and install WeChat on Windows 10 or 11. In order to download WeChat on your PC, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser and go to its official website, that is WeChat.com. It'll take you to the official page, and here you just have the options to download it for any other devices. Like, for example, if you wish to download for Apple Store, just press on it, or you wish to download for Android, do that, or you wish to download for the PC or MacBook, whatever, you just select that. And for Windows, go ahead and select the Windows icon or the Microsoft. When you actually press on it, it's going to take you to this filter where you have to go ahead and make sure to click the install button. If you're sure about it, then click on open Microsoft Store, and next you just have to begin with the procedure or follow the prompt, and accordingly you'll have successfully install the WeChat application on your device, and you could start creating or log into your account, and that's how you can use WeChat or download WeChat into your PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.